Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. We're so excited to share a special Easter day with you, full of fun moments, family vibes, and a little bit of springtime joy we all love.
Making eggs.
It's Easter 2025.
Yeah, tonight.
Yeah. We are dyeing some eggs. Right?
Yeah.
Is the Easter bunny going to come tonight?
Yeah.
Do it like an Easter dance. Let me see your face. That's Alana's egg. That's Daddy's egg. And that's
Daddy, you can
Mommy's
put
egg.
it. Now it's my turn again.
Do you want to make one for Nola and Cosmo?
Yeah. I.
Alana is going to put her egg. Slowly, Mama.
The pink one, no.
The pink one doesn't work. Put it on the green one. The green one. Slowly. Whether you're here for the egg hunts, the laughs, or just to spend a peaceful moment with us, we're glad you're here. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our next adventure. So let's hop right in. In the morning, Alana was so excited to see what the Easter Bunny left her. So the night before, when I took Alana to bed, Alana's daddy, Stuart, decorated the table with her Easter basket so she would be surprised. And Easter is like one of Alana's most favorite holidays, so she was so excited. Cosmo, Nola. How is it? Happy Easter! Alana, look! Look at your baskets! No, but the other baskets. Nola, Cosmo, Stuart, give Nola, Cosmo their basket on the floor. Yeah, and give Nola, Cosmo one too. Nola, Cosmo! Every year we make a special basket for Alana, and we also dye eggs together, and of course we have our Easter egg hunt. But this year we decided to add something a little extra. We made Easter baskets for our two dogs, Nola and Cosmo. We filled them with toys and treats, and they were so excited. It was honestly the cutest thing ever. This one? Okay, let's do it. Are you happy? Are you happy, babies? Stuart, look how happy Nola is.
Like to get puppies.
Like a bunny? Like it? You like it? Oh, wow. Why don't you put all the eggs in here?
Over there.
Is that nice egg? It's a sparkly egg.
Yes, okay.
Okay.
Another big one.
Yeah. Are you happy?
There's glitter.
Yeah, are you happy? It's okay. It's fine. Don't put it in your eye. Are you happy?
You think you were that good? You think it,
2 baskets?
I'm that good.
you're that good? You're that nice of a girl?
Yeah. In the bottle.
Okay, take it out, take it out. Wow, what is that? A bunny what?
A bunny to Easter.
Oh.
It's a puzzle.
Oh, nice. And then what else did you get?
Check.
Wow. Aww.
What
Huh? It walks, I think.
Another one.
Daddy will show you how it walks.
Look, Play-Doh.
Play-Doh. It's slime actually. It's slime. See, it's got slime.
We gotta call Mama too. Shouldn't that be?
What is that?
pot?
Okay.
Paint pot? We can plant something. A flower maybe?
Look,
Oh, it's squishy.
it's squishy cheese.
Yeah.
Yes.
You like it?
Yeah, cheesy. I love cheese.
Can you lower that, sir?
After Alana finished opening her baskets, she had her breakfast, and then it was time to do the Easter egg hunt. She went the day before to a bigger like Easter egg hunt event, but we still wanted to do something in our new house, so we were really excited to hide the eggs for her, and she loves egg hunting, so this like made her day. Since this is like our forever home and our dream home, I kind of designed this home myself and picked out everything. So we're trying to like build a lot of memories with Alana and our 2 dogs, and I think that having these like videos will be great for the future so that we can look back at our memories and kind of relive them. After the Easter egg hunt, it was time for me to prepare some Easter lunch for us. So what I decided to make were sliders, homemade fries, and a salad. So what I did first was I took some ground beef and then I put some seasoning on it. So I put salt, pepper, and some hamburger seasoning, and I also added some mustard, and then I just kind of mixed everything together, and then I put the beef to the side while I kind of like sauteed the onions and made sure they were a little brown, and then I added the beef and cooked it a little bit. And while it was cooking, I took the slider buns that I got from the grocery store and I put some melted butter on it, like I brushed some butter on it, and then added some sliced cheese. You can add like whatever type of cheese you like or want, and then after that I added the beef on top of the cheese, and then at the end I put more butter on top of the buns so that it tasted really buttery. And yeah, I love butter, so I put a lot of butter and it actually came out really good. After brushing the butter on top of the buns, it was time to put the sliders in the oven. So you can put it at 350 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. And then it was time to make the fries. So I cut up some potatoes and then I put it in like a bowl of water with some salt. And then after that, I dried it up and then I put some cornstarch on it and then fried it in our fryer. While the sliders were in the oven, I decided to decorate our outdoor table. This outdoor table is from Pottery Barn, this whole set like with the chairs and everything, and I just love this outdoor set. I think it goes really well with the house. And then I decided to put a centerpiece, a flower centerpiece that I got from Home Goods, and then add a little egg with a bunny on it, so that we can get the spring Easter vibe. And then I layered my white plates, and then I put that bunny and carrot decor. I just put it on top of it. So this was from like a banner, so I just cut off the ropes and just got the bunny and the carrot out and just layered it on top. And then I put the food all around our plates and it came out so cute. And then I also got some iced tea for us, so we could just sip on it while we were sitting outside. It was really such a wonderful day. It was so beautiful outside. The weather was perfect, and we put some outdoor music. We have outdoor speakers, so that was perfect. So it was really nice to sit outside, enjoy the nice weather on a beautiful spring day, and have some iced tea with your family. So yeah, definitely try doing something similar for Easter next time if you haven't already. It feels really nice to like decorate and make homemade food and just sit outside. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and I just wanted to say thank you so much for always supporting us and watching our videos. I really hope you all had a wonderful Easter. Love, the Marcantravel family.